Hello travelers! Welcome back to Seven Travels and to another thrilling adventure in Langkawi. Today we are taking you to the mesmerizing western part of Langkawi Island, home to some of its most iconic attractions, the Langkawi Sky Bridge, cable cars and the Seven Wells Waterfall. Our journey begins as we bid farewell to Kwa City and make our way to the Berjaya Langkawi Resort Hotel. This Berjaya Langkawi Resort is a 5-star hotel and there's a lot to explore within this resort itself. So we will bring you another delightful staycation at Berjaya Langkawi Resort from a separate vlog in next time. Upon our arrival and check-in at the resort, our first stop was the breathtaking Seven Wells Waterfall, also known as Tujuh Waterfall. Located just 2 kilometers away from the resort, and we booked a grab car to save our time to the entrance. At the waterfall entrance, there are few shops selling snacks, drinks and coffee. There's no entrance fee and totally free to explore the waterfall and its surrounding nature. There are 2 parts of the waterfall. The upper one has the bridge with a viewpoint to snap the photos known as Seven Wells, and the lower part is the vertical waterfall. Since it was past 6 p.m, we could only visit the top part. There are steps made out of concrete to the top part. It was about 15 to 20 minutes hike and a bit tiring. But there are some resting places to rest and continue your adventure feeling refreshed. After a challenging but rewarding hike around 20 minutes, climbing 638 steps and total altitude of 480 meters, finally we reached the top of the Seven Wells Waterfall. There's a suspension bridge on the top, and our eyes were greeted by a panoramic view of blue waters of Buaru Bay, Langkawi Sky Bridge cable cars and the natural Sewen pools. We visited this waterfall in start of May, and best time to visit is during rainy season, which is mainly between June and November. So it was the time to indulge in some well-deserved relaxation. We couldn't wait to immerse ourselves in the cool embrace of these natural pools. The water, untouched by human interference, was a pure and refreshing source of relaxation. In next day, we visited the most iconic attraction in Langkawi, the Langkawi Sky Bridge. The entrance of Langkawi Sky Bridge is just 500 meters away from the Berjaya Langkawi Resort. To get to the Sky Bridge, we need to take the Skycab, which gives you another thrilling journey. To reach the cable car station, we need to walk through the Oriental Village. It offers you a breathtaking surrounding with unique Instagrammable spots to capture your special moments. purchased our tickets from Klook app, which was 45 ringgit per an adult, including standard gondola for Skycab tickets in normal lane, access to Sky Bridge, 3D Art Langkawi and Sky Dome. There's a separate counter called Counter 6 to redeem e-vouchers for the entry tickets. Since our return flight to KL around 7 p.m, we decided to visit Sky Bridge at first. This Langkawi Skycab ride is known as the steepest cable car ride in the world. The ride takes 15 minutes, which rides about 708 meters above sea level, and you can enjoy the magnificent view of this island. There's a stop at the middle station, 1700 meters in distance from the starting station, at an elevation of 650 meters above sea level. In this station, visitors will be able to alight and walk up to the viewing platforms. From here, you can enjoy the panoramic view of the main island, surrounding islands, and the blue sea. After enjoying the middle station, again we got into the cable car to reach the top station. It's a very short ride of 2 to 3 minutes to the top station. There's an entrance ticket fee to Sky Bridge via Nature Trail or Sky Glide. But our tickets from Klook app already include that option too, so we could straightforwardly head to the Sky Bridge via Nature Trail. If someone is not preferred in hiking, there's this Sky Glide option, which will bring you to Sky Bridge without a hassle. It will take around 10 minutes to the Sky Bridge via Nature Trail while enjoying the wildlife and unique biodiversity. As you step onto the Langkawi Bridge, you will be greeted by lush rainforest and panoramic view of the Andaman Sea. At 125 meters long, the structure ranks among the world's longest curved suspension bridge, and it provides not only breathtaking views but also an exhilarating sensation of walking on air. We were so lucky enough to have a good weather on that day to catch glimpses of the coast of Thailand in the distance. After half an hour, we came back to the top station as there are two more observation decks which give more spectacular sceneries. We believe that these observation decks would provide undistracted 360-degree views of the captivating surroundings, allowing us to soak the beauty of Langkawi from every angle. After that, we decided to go back to the Oriental Village as we got another two attractions for our purchase ticket. Then we visited the 3D Art Langkawi. It's the biggest 3D interactive art museum in Malaysia. It has got more than 100 of 3D interactive paintings. There's a 5-minute 3D laser show of Niagara Falls and ancient Rome and Egypt, which carried a record as the largest indoor mapping display in Malaysia. Alright, here's our last attraction in Langkawi, the Sky Dome. The entrance fee for Sky Dome is inclusive with every purchase of Skycab ticket. It's a 10-minute showcase of movie in space and a roller coaster. It was okay and no major highlights since it was bundled to our Skycab tickets. Our journey in Langkawi had come to an end, but the memories and the sense of all we had discovered would stay with us forever. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure and Langkawi vlog series. Next, we will bring you a comprehensive Langkawi travel guide video and an exclusive hotel staycations video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a moment of our Langkawi travel guide and hotel staycations. As we say goodbye to Langkawi, we can't help but feel grateful for the memories and experiences we have collected along the way. Thank you very much Langkawi Island for the all wonderful memories. Until we meet again in our next video, bye bye!